Hello. All right. It's video 7. That's 7 days you've committed to this challenge. Well done. You'll soon be a master. No, I don't promise that. I'm not a master. Even the machine learning masters aren't masters. Just think about that. So today we're going to deal with duplicate indexes. Now, they can be problematic. They could be things that you want. You just might want to understand a bit more about your indexes. And that's what we're going to do here. So we're going to call in pandas, load the data set. Bad duplicate indexes might be date time. So maybe you've got duplicate data at the same point in time that shouldn't be there. So this would be a way of digging that out. Maybe you want duplicate data. Maybe you want multiple categories and you just want to kind of conduct the research based around those multiple categories. But anyway, what we'll get from this is like how to find them, identify them. Are they there? Do we need them? Okay, inspect the data as I always do. So info, describe, head. Now, we've seen this data a few times, 7 days in a row now, so we know about it. Let's look at category because we know that the category is going to have duplicate categories because there's hundreds of apps and thousands of apps in each category. So let's set the index for the data frame as category. So we've got play data dot set index, then category because that's a column, and then in place because we're going to overwrite this view, and that's done, and we'll be able to look at that now. So there is our index, not shown as everything. If we want to see everything, which I think there's like 40 or something like that, 40 or 50. Play. There we go. And get a list. Right. We might not need the list, but there's a list if you want to inspect them all. So when we need to know, are there unique ones? False. Is the index unique? No, because there are duplicate versions, duplicate indexes. Oh, sorry, actually I just realized I showed you the wrong thing here. Index. Just realized that, because that was showing us the columns. You need to put the index in here and then you'll get a list of them, and there are many of them. And as you can see, there are loads of duplicates in here, so it's false. Give me the number of unique in the index, 48. Now you can use is unique in number in the unique with any data you want to look at, but we're just applying it to the index at the moment because we want to establish this. Let's see the index unique. So if we want to kind of basically get a list of the index of unique ones, so this is all of them. It's not shown as uniques because we get duplicates in there. So this is showing us the uniques, and there's 48 of them, so that's the 48 unique ones. And let's say we just want to look at one of those indexes. Now remember, it's a label, so we'll use .lock, and then we say play data .lock on sports, and then it will give us a data frame back with all of the apps in the sports category if we want to have a look at them. So that's how we look for duplicate indexes, but we can look for pretty much anything duplicate using that. But indexes, because you're using it to hang all of your data off, and you always want to kind of know, you want to be able to trust your index, and you need to understand your index. So that's a way of kind of doing that. So again, if you're enjoying the videos, support the community by liking the videos, leaving a comment. If you're stuck, definitely leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're really loving it, share it, because the more of us in here, the more of us we can help each other, the more content I know to create and what you guys want to see. So get ready for day 8. It's going to be good. I'm not telling you what it is. You just got to see. All right. See you tomorrow.